Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Resemble AI to clone your voice. Go ahead and open up your browser and just go to the official website. Click Create AI Voices for free. Continue with Google. I'm gonna log in using my Google account. And basically, you could just go ahead and click right here, clone your voice, and allow Resemble AI to hear your voice. Unfortunately, I won't be able to proceed, but I'm gonna show you a demonstration. I'm gonna make something happen. Click allow right here and just start recording. After recording your voice, you're gonna see right here they're cloning your voice, right? And you're gonna wait for a few moments until they clone your voice, and as you can see, you will be able to just get started for just $1. I've already done that, and I played the sound, but unfortunately it didn't appear in the screen record. So basically you're gonna be able to hear your sample or final sample of that voice record. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.